I'm currently studying in 12th standard. So today me and my team has made this contactless pill dispenser. So our aim is to prevent physical contact and ensure user safety, especially for people with extremely contagious diseases in times like COVID-19. So our idea was strongly inspired during the COVID-19 pandemic. Due to highly contagious nature of the virus, it spread like wildfire. So using our device, we can deliver contact-free, zero-contact pills to the patients or anyone who needs it. So the material requirements are Arduino Uno, IR sensor, servo motor, jumpers, power supply.
Hello there. My name is Passang Tashi and I am from TC School Selakui, currently studying in 12th standard. So today I am going to share about how our project works, and before I begin, the items required for this project are Arduino Uno, IR sensor, servo motor, jumper wires and a power supply. So basically our project works because of Arduino, and as you might know, Arduino is a microcontroller board. It is a hardware and it has many different types of Arduino. And in this project we used Arduino Uno. At first, to run the Arduino Uno, we used Arduino app to put the code in the Arduino Uno. And we researched through YouTube video and Google on how to write the Arduino code and how to put the code in the Arduino Uno. After that, we connected the IR sensor and the servo motor on the Arduino Uno, and if the IR sensor detects any subjects, servo motor will move 90 degrees for 5 seconds, and after that it will move back to its position. So this is how it works.